what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you guys. If you guys are not familiar with Stitch Fix, you can use my code down below, get $25 off your first fix, and you can use that towards any item that you want to purchase, or if you want to purchase the whole box. You'll get 25% off if you purchase all 5 items in the box, and you can get shoes, purses, accessories, clothing, jeans, sweaters, cardigans. It's amazing. So definitely go check it out. If you guys, I wanted to talk to you a little bit. If you want me to post on Sundays, let me know. I'm not sure if Thursday mornings are the best for everyone, but if there's a different day of the week, please let me know down in the comments down below the time as well, when you have time to watch these videos, and let me know some feedback on the items. There's some items that I've been getting that I haven't really cared for, but that's Stitch Fix. Some of the items takes you out of your comfort zone. So just let me know. And if you guys like this sweater, it is from Target. And yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so in the box, you'll get your return bag for anything. Sorry, I dropped the price sheet. And for anything that you don't want, and then you get your price sheet, which I'll do prices at the end. And then your style card, and my stylist is Lorea, which is my usual stylist. And so let's get into the box. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so the first item we have here is a pink clover sweater. It is super soft. I do like this material. It's kind of like a taupe and black color, which is a different combination, and it has a scoop bottom, and there is black stripes on it. So this is super cute. I do like this a lot, and it feels extremely soft. This is a Stitch Fix exclusive. So this is the Pink Clover Valencia curved hem pullover in taupe, size extra small. So I was right with the taupe color. This is super cute. I do like this a lot. Okay, next item we have here is Market and Spruce gray top. It looks like a high-low, and it's just a regular t-shirt kind of, but it's heavier. It is super soft as well. So this is the Market and Spruce Juna high-low top in gray, size extra small. So I do like this as well. It's just a staple piece that you can wear in your wardrobe. I would like that in white. I would wear that all the time. So next we have here is this top. This would be nice for work. It looks like it is buttoned down with a tie front. It is black, and it has gray and cream color flowers on it. So let me pull this up close for you guys so you could see. Oh, I do like this a lot. It's a little bit see-through, so you're gonna have to wear a shirt underneath, but that's okay. But I think this is super cute. I do like this a lot. This is the West Key Taline tie front blouse in black, size extra small. So this is super pretty. I do like this a lot. I like that. Okay, so next we have here is a really, really soft cardigan. So this is nice. This is something different. It's color blocking, and it looks like it's pink or cream. I can't really tell. And then at the bottom, it's gray. So I don't own anything like this, and it has buttons all up the front and some pockets in there. And this is the most comfortable cardigan, soft cardigan I think I've ever gotten from Stitch Fix. Wow, and it's a little bit longer, so I do like that a lot. And this is the 9 Britain Camilla button front brushed cardigan in light pink, size extra small. So that is really pretty. And last but not least are a black pair of pants. And these are like a pull-on, like stretchy waist pair of pants. They are coming off blue, so let's see what color they are. They're black. Okay. They look like they're pull-ons. And there's a tie front, so it's just a pair of black pants, dress pants. So these are cute. And this is the Arty Style Kimber tie waist knit pant in black, size extra small. So that's something different. I'm like super excited to try all this stuff on. So when we come back, I will try everything on for you. And after each item, you'll see the card, the style card for them, and the pricing and the description. So if you do want to order it. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so first item is this black and taupe top with the scoop in the front. I just have it paired with a black cami underneath. This is really nice. This fits amazing. It is cute. I do like the scoop and how it fits in the front. I just have a pair with a pair of jeans. And then there is a scoop in the back, if you can see that. And I'm gonna show you the material. So I do like this. Depending on price, I might purchase it because it is an everyday staple type of top that I definitely would wear. And it is super warm. It's getting a little chilly here in Pennsylvania. So yeah, I do like this. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, next we have the gray top. It is cute. It fits really nice right here. And then in the back, it swoops down so it covers your butt. So that is really nice. It's just a regular gray top, everyday staple. As you could see the material and the design. It's gray. It fits nice. It's just a very basic top. So I'm not sure how much it will be. So I'll try it on next with the cardigan. So let me know your guys' thoughts on this one. Okay, so next we have is the cardigan. I'm on the fence about this one. It is a little bit bigger. I do like the color blocking and the buttons because I don't own anything that has all these buttons. And this material is so soft. So you can see how soft it looks. It is really cute and it goes well with the gray top underneath. And there's no slits on the side, which I do like. So let me know. It might be a little bit too long for me because I am only 5'4", but let me know what you guys think in regards to this cardigan. It is cute. Okay, next we have is this top. This is cute. This is probably one of my favorite pieces next to the cardigan in this collection that she had sent over. Only thing is a little big and it kind of like flounces out a lot, but I do like this right here. Buttons down, has a button on the sleeve. I do like this pattern and I do like this style. I'm gonna try this on with the black pants to see what they look like as well. And then we'll come back with final thoughts. But let me know what you guys think on this one. It is cute, but it is super thin. It is see-through, so that's why I have a black cami underneath. So here it is up close. Cute. And you can see the tie. Okay, next we have is the black pants. These are going to be a definite now. They don't fit right. They fit nice in the waist here, and then there's a tie, but I wouldn't wear anything like this. The pockets, I already have black pants, and these fit really like weird at the bottom. I kind of like a tighter fit in my black pants. So I'm definitely gonna pass on these. They're just not my style at all. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is come back and talk to you guys about my final thoughts on the items, and I'll let you guys know in the comments what I decide to keep. Hey guys, so I'm back. My ring light just decided not to work, so it's a little bit dark in here. So let's go over prices and my final thoughts. So this box isn't super bad at all. I thought there was some diversity here. The only thing I really didn't care for, I will let you know. And so let's get through it. So let's go through the prices. So the first item is this West Key top. I did like this, but it was a little bit short on me. I did like the pattern and the style. So this one here was $44. It's not bad. I do like the colors. I like gray, black, and white. They're like my favorites. So the item that I did not like at all was these RD style pants. They just didn't fit right, and I just didn't like them at all. So they were $50. So I'm definitely gonna pass on those. This was just a basic tee. It was a little bit heavier. This is by Market and Spruce, and this was $44. That's really expensive for a tee, so I'm definitely gonna pass on that one. So the two items that I did like a lot was the cardigan, and this one is by 9 Britain. This one was really cute. Let me know your thoughts. This was $46 though. It is so soft. I don't know what I'm gonna do. And last but not least is the pink clover top. And this was one of my favorites as well. It was $44. It looked the nicest. on. So let me know what you guys think. The total was $228. Buy all 5 discount was $57. $171. Not bad at all. Let me know in the comments what you think I should keep, if anything. And thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, please